Cuts by Kings. We're going to get into this video today showing you how to drape a client with a collar shirt on without having to fold that collar inside on the inside of the shirt. A lot of times business guys come in and during the day, and they may have a business meeting to go to, and barbers sometimes will fold that collar into the shirt. Well, that's just a pet peeve of mine. If I come in with a nice collar shirt on, I cannot stand to have my collar folded inside. So what I teach my students in barber school on day one when we start learning draping is how to drape a client with a collar shirt on without having to fold that collar on the inside. So we're going to jump into that video right now. Let's check it out. All right, this student here is first time draping. This is on day one what we teach in our barber school here. So he has the client draped, and he's going to bring the neck strip around. It's just barber etiquette instead of bringing it over top of his face. And as you can see, the neck strip is going over top of the collar, and he's bringing the cape right over top of the neck strip. He's fastening it with the clip. We always use the clip and not the buttons. We'll get into that in a later video. He's folding the neck strip down so it doesn't irritate the skin or the client while he's cutting. And what we're going to see here now, once he's finished, I'm going to check it. And now what I'm showing him is that you can see that the collar is exposed. All right, so it's a little loose and the collar is exposed. So now we're going to get into the correct way. Okay, we're going to bring the neck strip around, all the way right, all the way left, securing the neck strip, and going to take my finger, run it around the inside of the collar so that the neck strip falls inside of the shirt collar, bringing the cape over the neck strip. I'm going to secure it with my clip, then we're going to fold it down, and we will see that the neck strip will now cover the collar and protect the client's clothing from any creams or lotions or anything that you may use. All right, that is the proper way to drape without turning the shirt collar inside out. Thank you.